What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? You already know this is Peach, and today we are going to be utilizing WIC at Publix. I'm gonna see what is on BONGO. This is what we have available: 3 pounds of cheese, 2 dozen of eggs, 72 ounces of cereal, 3 bags of beans or peanut butter, 5 whole grains, 25.85 in fruit and vegetables, 2 tubs of yogurt, 3 gallons of whole milk, 7 gallons of 1%, 1/2 a gallon of 1%, 3 bottles of 48-ounce juice, and 4 bottles of 64-ounce juice. Let's get into it. I'm not gonna get any fruit or vegetables right now because, well, no fruit. I'm gonna get some mushrooms, but we already have fruit. I actually spent $116 to be exact on fruit recently one night when I was just trying to escape from home and came to Publix. Now I want to make me some chicken marsala, so I'm gonna need some mushrooms for that. We're gonna get some of these baby bella mushrooms, and I'm gonna get these whole mushrooms. They're $2.49 each, so $5. That's it. I'm also gonna finally get some of this orange juice since I have some 48-ounce juice available. I have 3 bottles of 48-ounce juice. Instead of getting traditional big bottles of juice, we're gonna get that Tropicana juice. We're gonna get this juice right here, 6 cartons. This is 48 ounces, okay? It's 6 8-ounce cartons. 6 times 8 is 48, okay? And it has the WIC symbol, so you know for sure you can get it with your WIC. I'm only gonna get 1, even though I could get 3. I'm only gonna get 1 because we also want to get some apple juice and all that jazz. Just caught my eye. I might get these with my WIC. It's so cute. It's some heart. It's strawberries in the shape of a heart. Say I love you. And they got the chocolate. The chocolate dip is buy 1 get 1 free. And then the strawberries are 3 for $10. So I might get it just cause. Let me get this. These chocolate dips, me and Gorgeous gonna have fun with this. Do I want to spend $10 on these? Just because they're in the shape of a heart. That means they're like, what, $3.50 each? 3 something each. You don't have to buy 3. I might just only get 1. But let's put all 3 in here just in case I change my mind. I can get this on WIC, but I might just pay for it. Applesauce is buy 1 get 1 free. This is a WIC item. This counts as a fruit. So we're gonna get some of that too. But I'm gonna get it off the other aisle. It is looking like an oatmeal and grit WIC day. So the oatmeals are buy 1 get 1 free. By now you guys should already know how to do this. All you do is get the WIC flavor first, ring that up first, and then whatever non-WIC item you want flavor next. Same with the grits. You get the original grits first. They're right here. Original grits, and then any other kind next, and it's absolutely free in the state of Florida. These are 12 ounces. I can get 6 of these, 6 grits, 6 oatmeal, or mix match, and then get 6 other flavors. So that would be a total of 12. Before I do this deal, I'm gonna see what is available on cereal. Patch, today is a good week for cereal or oatmeal. Right now they have General Mills Lucky Charms cereal, Reese's, Cookies Crisp, Kicks, or Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Buy 1 get 1 free. The WIC item is the Kicks. These Kicks right here for $3.89 are a WIC item. You can get that one for free with your WIC, and then you can get any of these other flavors. There's chocolate Cinnamon Toast Crunch, regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Churro Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the Reese's. You can get any of those for free. And when it's free, it's for me. So let me see if they got another good cereal deal before. Lucky Charms is also included. Let's see if they got another cereal deal for you guys this week while I decide what I want to. All right, Peach Patch, another deal you can take advantage of right now with your WIC and get you some free non-WIC items or double is this free General Mills cereal. It's Honey Nut Cheerios, multi-grain Cheerios, or Lucky Charms family size. The family size, which is 18 ounces, guys. So with the family size, you have to get the multi-grain. That would be your WIC flavor. And then you can get the Honey Nut Cheerios as your non-WIC item, or Lucky Charms family size. Lucky Charms Find those bad boys. And they're all the same price, $5.35. So you can use that with your wick. So now you got 3 options this week. With wick, which is awesome. Comment down below which deal would you be taking advantage of with your wick. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. Regular Cheerios are also on sale. Buy one, get one free. However, you wouldn't be able to get any of the flavored Cheerios with it because they cost more money. So you can only get double regular Cheerios. I would skip that deal because I like getting the non-wick. What I decided I want to do is split this deal up. I'm going to take advantage of the Kicks deal. We're going to do 2 Kicks. Gorgeous actually eats the plain Kicks. 1, 2. So those are our 2 wick items. Now we're going to get 2 non-wick flavored cereal. And I'm going to go for the Cookie Crisps because I like these. Oh, no, that's not on this deal. Hold on. Reese's Cookie Crisp, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So we're going to get a Cookie Crisp because my oldest like Cookie Crisp. Okay, that's free, $3.89. So we're going to get that. And then we'll get 1 Cinnamon Toast Crunch because the kids like that. We want to get this size. $3.89. So those are free. Now I got 4 more boxes of stuff I can get. So with that, I'm going to take advantage. If I stick at 12 ounces, we're going to take advantage of the oatmeals. I'm kind of nervous when I buy the oatmeals and stuff because they're 12 ounces, 12.98. And that's 12.91. So we're going to get 4. We're going to get 5 more instead. Like 3 more deals just in case. So we'll get this original oatmeal and 1 apple. Oatmeal, which is right here. Original grit. And then we'll go ahead and get 1 variety grit. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 deals. I can get 1 more deal, I'm sure of. I think I'll make that my cereal deal. The bigger cereal. We'll try this and see how that works out for us. We'll do the Lucky Charms family size. Hopefully we don't go over with the ounces. Lucky Charm family size and that multi-grain family size. Right here, because it's 18 ounce. Let's see if we're going to be over. Let me calculate. There is finally a BOGO on juice right now. Buy one, get one free. Mott's 100% apple juice is buy one, get one free. So that means with your wick, if you have 64 ounce juice, which we do have that available, we have 4 bottles of 64 ounce juice. With this deal, I'll be able to get 8. Mott's is a wick flavor. See the wick icon? So I can get 4 of the regular apple juice flavor. And then after that, I could get apple mango, apple cherry, fruit punch. I can even get this sensible kind, apple white grape. You can even get the tots kind if you like. These are non-wick covered flavors that we're gonna be able to take advantage of because it's BOGO. I can even get the apple light. I'm gonna go ahead and use all 4 gallons of my apple juice on this because I haven't seen a lot of BOGO when it comes to juices at Publix. So I think it's really lucky that we finally got a juice deal. Comment down below which flavors you would take advantage of. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 4 regular apples. 3 and 4. Now I get 4 more for free. I'm gonna try the sensible ones. It says less sugar, so we're gonna get 1. That's the healthy one. We'll get apple mango. We'll try that. We'll try apple cherry. And then I guess I'll try one of their little tots. I'm lying. I'm not gonna get that. We'll get this kind. It's like 40% less sugar. I don't know, my kids gonna like that. My kids like sugar. They're used to sugar. We'll just get 1 regular apple. Another one of these. And my camera about to die. So we just gonna go to the register now. I'm not gonna finish this trip. I'll do another wick trip separate. I wanted to take advantage of the applesauce for y'all so y'all can see that this is also a wick deal because it's considered a fruit. You can get applesauce with your wick. Where's the regular kind? I'm gonna try this for you guys. 1 We'll get the regular, and then we'll get the apple cinnamon. We're gonna see if our wick will cover it. This is very important. I have my 8 apple juices up here. Always put your wick item first, and then the non-wick item. Okay, you can go ahead. Same with the cereal. Wick cereal first, then non-wick cereal. You can see the promos came off for the cereal and for the juice as well as...
Hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, 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 let's go. Like, 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 like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, 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 let's go. Like, 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 follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like, to the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like it like, hit her like, for your girl. Take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like, Africa go like, worldwide go like, I hope y'all like this sound. Yep, that's right, hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking back.